Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how can we select a value by attribute in WebdriverIO. So as you can see on the screen, I have added a select. In this, we have first value, second value up to sixth value. And these are the options of a drop down. So let us see how it looks like in the browser. So this is the browser we have. So this is the first time. This was previously added by me in the display.html. So this is the drop down we have. It's the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Okay. So now if I want to select, let's say second, how I can do it programmatically. So let us now move on to my Visual Studio screen. So now let us start the program. Okay. So we are trying to use one of the method in for selecting a value in the dropdown. We have select by attribute, select by index, and select by visible text. So here in this video, we'll only see select by attribute. Okay. So let me create a file. I'll click on new file. So I'll write select by attribute.js. That's it. So here I'll be writing the program. So I have to take a display.html. I have to launch that. So I'll take this entire example. So I'll copy this. I'll paste inside the attribute. I'll paste like this. So I'm not using an iframe. So I'm using display.html. Let me share my Google Chrome page. So now what I'll do, I'll inspect this drop down. So I've only given the ID as the ID as select box. Even if I add, so ID equal to select box, that's it. So it is now recognized. So I'll take this, I'll copy this, I'll paste it to my Visual Studio code. So here await will be using this one. So it won't be a knife frame, it will be a select box. That's it. So here I'll write select await select box. First I'll see what is the first value this thing. Okay. So select box. So I need to get value. First I'll write console.log. First, before selecting, let us see what is the value is there. And after selecting also, we can see what is the value. I'll write dot. If I put get value, it will get the value. That's it. So then I'll put await space select box dot select by attribute. So what do you mean by attribute? Attribute is a value or a name, etc. So select by attribute. So if I open the display.html, these are all attributes. Value is attribute, name is an attribute, just like that. Okay. Select by attribute. We have to use two options here. See, it's a string and a value. First, we have to send an attribute as an attribute as value, and then comma. I want the value attribute. I want to select the value. So let us take a second value. Okay, this is the value if I want to select. So I'll write semicolon and I'll write for what is the attribute selected. Okay, so I can do select value select by attribute. So let us see one more select. Here we have a name. Let's see here. We have also name as an attribute. That also I'll do. Await name as a value. Here I'll select sixthName. Okay. So let me pause for a second as soon as I select the value once after getting the value. So let me wait for a second. Okay. That's it. I'll wait for a second. After that, we can close the browser. So I'll write await dot browser dot pause. Okay. Await browser dot pause. That's it. Okay. Let me now execute it. In order to execute this, I have to add this in my package.json. So I'll rename it. I'll copy this. I'll paste it package.json. That's it. Select the attribute. So let me execute this. npm run my test case. Environment test Google. So now it will launch the Google Chrome. So it launched the Google Chrome. So it is selected second and sixth. That's it. It closed. So this is one of the value, sixth value. So it clicked, and before the sixth value, second value it was there. So we got two things: second value, sixth value. Also it was okay. Here instead of clear text, I'll write select by attribute. That's it. I'll copy this. So I'll paste it here as a describe block. So if let us run one more time. Launch sixth, select second, it got selected and it passed also. So yeah, this is very simple program by selectBox. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.